Welcome to Green Dhaka City. Do you think there are no trees in Dhaka City? In this case, this video may change your mind. In Dhaka City, there are many people, cars, buildings, and there are also many plants. Trees are not visible because many people live in Dhaka City. Even due to the challenging life, sometimes we do not have time to see such beautiful trees around. Here is an aerial video of Dhaka City. From that you can see many green trees. Please see this video from the Hathir Jheel, known as Lakefront in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Government Small Determination Dirt Lake area has been transformed into the green recreation places as well as an alternate way to ease traffic congestion.